Iraq economic news and points to ponder Saturday afternoon, December 28, 24. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. The dollar continues to decline against the dinar in Baghdad and Erbil at the closing. Economy, December 28, 2024. Mawazin News. Baghdad. The dollar price decreased in the markets of Baghdad and Erbil, the capital of the Kurdistan region, on Saturday, with the closing of the stock exchange. The dollar price also decreased with the closing of the Al-Khifa and Al-Harithia stock exchanges, recording 151,500 Iraqi dinars for every $100, while this morning it recorded 151,600 dinars for every $100. The selling prices stabilized in the exchange shops in the local markets in Baghdad, where the selling price reached 152,500 Iraqi dinars for every $100, while the purchase price reached 150,500 dinars for every $100. In Erbil, the dollar also decreased, where the selling price reached 151,450 dinars for every $100, and the purchase price reached 151,350 dinars for every $100. Gold prices stabilize in local markets in Iraq. Economy, December 28, 2024. Mawazin News. Baghdad. Gold selling prices in local markets in the capital, Baghdad, recorded stability today, Saturday, at the beginning of the last week of 2024. The price of an ounce of gold recorded $2,622, while the price of the 21-carat lira recorded 565,000 Iraqi dinars, and the selling prices of the yellow metal were recorded as follows. 21-carat myth call at 565,000 dinars, 18-carat myth call at 485,000 dinars, 22-carat myth call at 590,000 dinars, 24-carat myth call at 645,000 dinars. Oil prices rise in global markets. Economy, December 28, 2024. Mawazin News. Follow-up. Oil prices rose by more than 1%, achieving weekly gains amid weak trading before the end of the year, supported by a larger-than-expected decline in U.S. crude inventories. Brent crude futures rose 91 cents, or 1.2%, to settle at $74.17 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose 98 cents, or 1.4%, to $70.60, with both crudes up 1.4% for the week, exceeding $73 per barrel. Iraqi oil ends the week's trading on the rise. Baratha News Agency 152220241228 at the end of trading, yesterday, Friday, December 27, 2024, Iraqi oil recorded a price increase exceeding $73 per barrel, coinciding with the rise in global crude. According to data, Basra heavy crude recorded $70.19 per barrel, while the average recorded $73.29 per barrel, with a change of -0.16, respectively, for February 2025 delivery. The data also showed an increase in global crude prices, with British Brent crude recording $74.17, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude recorded $70.60 per barrel, with a change rate of +0.98 and +0.90, respectively. More than $1 billion in sales from the Central Bank of Iraq in 4 days. Bank's Economy News. Baghdad. The total sales of hard currency in U.S. dollars by the Central Bank of Iraq during the days in which the auction was opened during the past week amounted to more than $1 billion. During the past week and for the 4 days in which the auction was opened, the central bank sold $1,067,584,729, at a daily rate of $291,196,182, higher than the previous week, when the selling rate reached $289,134,990. The central bank auction opened its doors on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Thursday, after being closed during the official holidays last week, which included Friday, Saturday and Wednesday. The highest dollar sales were on Monday, when sales reached $296,151,962, while the lowest sales were on Sunday, when sales reached $284,696,947. Foreign remittance sales during the past week amounted to $1,067,537,979. An increase of 95% compared to cash sales, which amounted to $46,750,000. Iraq is the world's first in the density of natural resources. A new vision for investing resources. Time: the 28th of December 2024. Read 1118 times. Economic. Al-Farad News. The economic advisor to the Prime Minister, Mazhar Mohammad Saleh, revealed a new vision for investment in materials in Iraq. Saleh told Euphrates News that what the economic policy in our country is looking forward to is thinking outside the box and providing sustainability in the current account surplus of the Iraqi balance of payments through investment expansion in natural resources, manufacturing them and making them ready for export in a way that provides returns that help establish a sovereign wealth fund. He added, the most appropriate model is to generate a sovereign wealth fund, directing its investments towards internal opportunities, and according to a different vision. Since our country is ninth in the world in terms of the diversity of its natural resources in the ground and first in the world in terms of the concentration of wealth per square kilometer. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: Dinar Recaps.